Hello. Are you scared of speaking English because you think you will sound stupid? Well, first of all, nobody thinks that. And if they do, then that's their problem, not yours. And second of all, I have had so many students say the same exact thing. But the only way to get past that feeling is by speaking, unfortunately. And I think, what better way to start speaking than in a safe space with teachers who support you and correct you and have a real in-person connection with you, just like you and me. My English community is all about creating that safe space for you to start speaking with confidence. Look at what one of my students said. Get the New Year's discount only this week, only $24 a month, including 5 conversation clubs a week, unlimited courses, and live sessions with me. I guarantee you will feel safe, you will have fun, and you will start speaking in these conversation clubs. So, the link is in my bio. Start your new year speaking English, not just studying it. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about an important topic, one that is truly changing our world: artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere, in our phones, in our homes, and even in the way we learn. For example, when we learn a new language, AI can be super helpful. With AI, you can practice speaking. You can have a real voice conversation, just like with a friend. This makes learning more fun and less stressful. So today, I would like to introduce a special guest to this podcast. Hello, Cece. Welcome to the show.
Hey there, Cece here, super excited to be part of your Slow English podcast.
Cece, can you help our listeners with language practice?
I can totally help your listeners with language learning. I can explain tricky grammar points, provide example sentences, and even create fun quizzes to test their knowledge.
That sounds amazing. Moreover, Cece can even recognize objects in your daily life. Plus, Cece is completely free. No ads, no limits. Go download Cece, your perfect speaking buddy. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I usually hate getting extensions on my nails. I prefer getting normal nails. short nails because I'm always using my hands. Always. When I'm trying to work out or do yoga or do the dishes or even climb a tree, maybe. But I love feeling fancy with my nails. When I type on my computer or on my phone, or when I grab my water bottle, I love the sound. But I know in a couple weeks, I will be hating these nails. But for now, I can tolerate them. Plus, I only really got them because I'm going to New York. So I can feel fancy in New York. Do you like getting your nails done? Do you prefer getting long nails or short nails? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I'm at a cafe. I am at a cafe right now. I ordered a coconut coffee in the past. I paid for my coffee with my credit card. And I said thank you to the kind lady who attended me. I love coconut coffee. Now I'm sitting at a small round table outside while I watch people pass by. I watch people cross the road and pass in front of me. It's one of my favorite things to do. Sitting down at a coffee shop while I watch people passing by and I drink and think. And I thought I should share that with you as a fun way to practice English listening. Did you notice which sentences I used in present simple and which sentences I used in past simple? Let me know in the comments. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I am nervous about going to the United States. I'm nervous because of all the hate and all of the division. I only want to visit the United States because it's my home, where my family lives, where my grandparents, who are sick right now, live. I want to see them and take care of them. I don't want to be around people who discriminate and hate others. I don't want to be around people who support hate or discrimination either. I do hope we can stop spreading so much hate I do hope we can stop spreading these poor beliefs amongst each other. And the United States can be a place that receives everyone impartially. But I am excited to see my family, to feel that nostalgic feeling of being home and of being near my childhood home.
Hello, and welcome to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about sickness because today I am sick. I have a little cough, a little bit of a sore throat. I am congested and I have a little bit of a headache. I think it's just the flu. So I stayed at home and I'm taking my time to recuperate. The problem is that I hate being still, not moving or doing anything makes me feel uneasy. I'm the type of person who needs to be doing something all the time. So, my issue is that when I need to rest, to recuperate, I don't. Just yesterday, I went to the gym and I went to the mall to walk around. And of course, today I wasn't feeling any better. But I need to learn to stay still. Otherwise, I will take way too long to recuperate. I think the worst sickness is nausea because there's nothing you can do to fix it. You can only rest and wait. The two that I think are not so bad is when I have a cough or boogers. And I have those two today. It's a little annoying, but it's not bad. What do you think? What is the worst sickness to have? Can you stay still for a day? Follow me on YouTube for more.